everyone, and welcome back to Operation Water Drop, a program for English speaking and reading in a way you can share with your students. Today, we will be learning Lesson 18. It is the story about the Red Sea. We are also going to learn new English vocabulary words about transportation. Are you ready? Grab your notebooks, sit up straight, and let's get started. Let's learn our new vocabulary words. Are you ready? Raise. Raise. The student raises his hand before speaking. Raise. Staff. Staff. A shepherd uses a staff to guide his sheep. Staff. Part. Part. The two men part ways and go in different directions. Part. Dry. Dry. The wet clothes are drying in the sunlight. Dry. Side. Side. The cow is on the side of the road. Side. Miracle. Miracle. A miracle is when something impossible happens. In this picture, Jesus is performing a miracle by healing the blind man. Miracle. Mankind. Mankind. Mankind is another word for humans or for people, all the people on the earth. Mankind. Great job, everyone. Let's learn our power verse together. Are you ready? Jeremiah chapter 32, verse 27. I am the Lord, the God of all mankind. Is anything too hard for me? Let's read it together one more time. Jeremiah chapter 32, verse 27. I am the Lord, the God of all mankind. Is anything too hard for me? Great job, everyone. Now let's read My Precious Book together. My Precious Book, page 37. When God's people came to the Red Sea, Moses raised his staff, and God parted the water so that they could cross the sea on dry land. Do you see the water parted to each side of the people in the picture? What happened to the sea when Moses raised his staff? We can learn 3 important points from our story and from our power verse. Number 1, God can do the impossible. Number 2, nothing is too hard for God. Number 3, when something looks scary or hard, We can pray to God, and He will help us. Awesome job, everyone. Now let's learn our new English vocabulary words. Today, we are learning words about transportation. Are you ready? Walk. Walk. Every day, the students walk to school together. Walk. Run. Run. The boy likes to run to stay healthy and fit. Run. Take the bus. Take the bus. Many students take the bus to school. Take the bus. Drive a car. Drive a car. When you need to go somewhere far away, you can drive a car. Drive a car. Ride a bicycle. Ride a bicycle. We also use the word bike. Bike. The woman likes to ride her bicycle to the market. The woman likes to ride her bike to the market. Ride a bicycle. Ride a bike. Ride a motorcycle. Ride a motorcycle. We can also use the word moto. Moto. The man and the woman ride a motorcycle to get to the park. Ride a motorcycle. Take a train. Take a train. You can take a train to get to a different city. Take a train. Fly in an airplane. Fly in an airplane. We can also use the word plane. Plane. You can fly in an airplane to get to a different city or a different country. Fly in an airplane. Take a boat. Take a boat. When there is a river or a sea, you need to take a boat. Take a boat. Take a taxi. Take a taxi. If you do not have a car, you can take a taxi. Take a taxi. Get on. Get on. The boy and the girl are getting on the bus to go to school. Get on. Get off. Get off. The woman is getting off the bus to go home. Get off. Get in. Get in. The man is getting in his car to go to work. Get in. Get out. Get out. The woman is getting out of the car to go to the party. Get out. Buy a ticket. Buy a ticket. You can buy a train or airplane ticket if you want to go somewhere new. Buy a ticket. Passport. Passport. You need a passport to travel to a new country. Passport. Carry bags. Carry bags. Do you need help carrying your bags? Carry bags. Luggage. Luggage. Please help me carry my luggage to the airport. Luggage. Bus station. Bus station. I will listen to music when I wait at the bus station. Bus station. Train station. Train station. You can buy many things at the train station before you get on the train. Train station. Airport. Airport. There are many places to sit and wait at the airport before you fly in an airplane. Airport. Parking lot. Parking lot. After you drive a car to a new city, you can park your car in the parking lot and walk to the restaurant. Parking lot. Great job, everyone. Now let's practice our dialogue together. Lesson 18, Dialogue. Hey Mary, I just bought a ticket to fly to Singapore. Really? That's great. I went to Singapore last year with my family. Great! Do you know how to get to the art museum there? Yes. From the airport, you can take a taxi. But the taxi is a little expensive. There is also a bus station at the airport. You can get on the bus, go 3 stops, and get off in front of the museum. There are also many motorcycles and bicycles you can ride in Singapore if you do not want to take the bus or a taxi. What about driving a car? Cars are very expensive in Singapore. it might be a better idea to walk. Thank you for the advice. I am excited about my trip. You will have a great time. Don't forget your luggage and your passport. Thank you so much for learning English with me today. I hope you can practice your new vocabulary words and talk about transportation. If this video helped you learn English, please like and subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Goodbye!